Alrighty, YouTubers, we are back again. We have another BNT exclusive from Amazon Prime, and you guys could take advantage right now. All you gotta do is click on the link down below, add it to your shopping cart, add it to your wish list, and see what other goodies they have to offer. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. About to open this up right here and show you guys. Bada boom, oh boy. Don't need that. Now we got, I'm not sure what size. These are the dome. These are the nice ones too. We got the solar. So you get a 4-pack. See how do you turn this thing on? Oh. Okay, see, open. Batteries, BNT. I'm gonna go grab some double A's. Yeah, double A's. These take. And like I said, if you need a link to the batteries, the Amazon brand is really good. You can use. They hold pretty good. See, BNT. So I have that link down there also for the batteries. But easy. So you got a 4-pack. I'll be right back after these messages. Alrighty, see? These little guys. Amazon Basics. So that's what you gotta get. Or you get the longer lasting ones, you know, like the Energizer. But if you're on a budget, these are good ones to get. They last a while too. So there's only 2 that's needed. Bada boom. BNT. Just slide it in. Right there. Now, whoa. Shut the light off. Hey, look at that infrared. Yeah, this one don't have a button to push. Yeah, the batteries are in, right? Is that dark? It's red. Yeah, let's try the others. I mean, it needs to be warmed up a little bit. This is still pretty brand new. Right out of the box. Or I just think it's not dark here yet. Yeah, same thing. Roger. And we got these 2 going. I don't think I need an app or nothing. These are the wireless too. Just the battery operated. I'm gonna put you guys on pause. Okay, ducky. These are indoor, outdoor. Everything is working proper. Just not used to these type. See? There you go. Kind of like a sensor. It's kind of crazy. And let's see what happens if we walk with it. I don't know. Yeah, see, it's still kind of like a recording, like one of those Pretendos. But really cool. It's like recording you. That's nifty. I get it. See? Yeah, there we go. Alright. So this is really cool. Definitely add this on your Amazon wish list. And great stocking stuffer, especially with the holidays coming up. Birthday gift, housewarming gift. Always a good thing to have a couple of these around. Give it to your friend, your neighbor. Protect your block. So this is cool. Oh yeah. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a good night. See you soon.